What do you want to eat now? Your hand's dirty? More pancake? Is that good? Pancake? Want some more pancake? Oh, you smashing the banana? Don't smash it, eat it. Don't smash it, eat it, boy. What you doing? Pancake, here you go. Is that good? Oh, eat some banana. There you go, right there. Eat some banana. Oh, you rather smash it? Need some water? Whatever you say, big fella. Whatever you say. What are you going to do with that? What are you fitting to do with that, boy? What are you fitting to do with your cup? Where's it going now? What are you doing with your cup? You fitting to throw it? Yeah? Yeah? What are you doing with your cup? What you doing with your cup? My hand. Give it to me. 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 All right. This is enough. This is enough silliness. This is enough silliness. Give me your cup. Come on. Give me your cup. Give me your cup. You silly. You silly. Come in. Give me your cup. What? What happened? What happened? What happened? Oh no, is it going? Oh, here we go. I'll put it up there. What you looking for? You need some more pancake? Here we go. More pancake. Oh, you're going to take it off? Okay. Cuba. Oh, Cuba. What are you doing now? What are you doing with it? What are you doing with it? What are you doing? Say, what are you doing with your cup? You don't drink it in the back of your head. You put it in the front part of your head. Called your face. Come on, no. What's wrong with you, boy? What's wrong with you, boy? What's wrong with you, boy? What is wrong with you?